Hello. Okay. Sorry for the delay, guys. I was there in a meeting. So am I audible now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, guys. Please try to understand.
Yes, sir.
And okay. Sorry. Sorry for the delay, guys. Please. Hope you are not irritating. So, what I have discussed in the last class, can you please tell me? Hello.
Uh, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, basically, in last class we discussed about various tools and various techniques to regarding machine learning, data analytics to solve problems and basic stuff,
Basic
more or
stuff.
less.
Hmm. So, what are the steps involved when you're working on data analytics? I told you that as well, right? No question asked. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
My screen is visible to everyone.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
Yes, sir. It's visible.
Yes,
Thank you.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So today in this class, we'll discuss how to proceed with the project as well. Okay. 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 So we have discussed this type of data analytics. Just a second. So importance of visualization, I also told you. Various visualization tools also we have discussed and best practices. This much up to this we have discussed, right? And tools for data visualizations like your Tableau, Power BI, Google Data Studio, all these things are there. Then integrating analytics and visualization also important. So can you please tell me what is data cleaning and what is data mining?
So
Let me
data
ask you.
cleaning is basic. Data cleaning is basically handling the data set. That means removing the outliers from the data set or the noise from the data set or the
Mhm,
null value or handling the
mhm,
null value.
mhm,
And the data mining is a technique to extract some hidden pattern from the data set.
mhm. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Hmm. Okay. Then tell me, um, what is outlier?
Outlier is basically, sir, the
Outlier
data
are the
point,
data points which are
sir,
very
data
away
point
from
which is not
our data
related
sets.
from our data set.
Okay. What is data pre-processing?
So data pre-processing is the process.
Not you, anyone else.
Data
So
pre-processing
basically, data pre-processing are the
basically
steps which we do before data cleaning and making it ready for further trend setting and for visualization.
yeah.
What are the various visualization tools? Oh, sorry, what are the various
Tableau, Power
visualization
BI,
libraries? Sorry,
What
libraries
libraries
means
Matplotlib,
we can use
Seaborn.
Matplot, Seaborn,
Yes, sir.
or Plotly.
So NumPy, Pandas.
Scikit-learn,
so in the
Sir,
last
pandas.
class overall we have
I
discussed how
pandas
to
are not used
just a
for
second, just a second.
visualization.
Okay. In the last class we have discussed how to collect the data from various sources. What are the various methods like you can
Data
collect the
scraping
data by web scraping,
scrapping.
yes,
Yes, sir.
and
and how to clean the data and pre-process it, like remove the duplicates, handling missing values,
Yes, sir.
normalization, encoding. Then exploratory data analysis, like your descriptive visualization. Then your what is descriptive, what is prescriptive, what is predictive. Also, we have discussed in the last class, right?
yes,
Then statistical analysis techniques like hypothesis testing. Hypothesis testing means validating the assumption with p-values and confidence intervals. Then regression analysis like modeling relationship between variables. Then probability distribution means understanding the pattern in data behavior. Why it is important? Why statistical analysis is important in data analytics? Like It provides a mathematical foundation for interpretation of the data and make predictions correctly, right? Then some data visualization techniques like your Tableau, Power BI, Matplotlib, C1 all visualize the data perfectly. Then some machine learning and predictive analytics also we have discussed, like supervised, unsupervised, what is deep learning, why it is important, because predictive analytics enables organizations to anticipate with the outcomes, optimize operations, and mitigate the tasks, right? That's why we are using machine learning and predictive analysis for those purposes. Then big data analytics, like what is the difference between big data and data mining, we have discussed in the last class. Then what is the Hadoop and Spark for distribution data processing, what is NoSQL databases like MongoDB, Cassandra for unstructured data like this, right? Why
Yes,
big
sir.
data is important? Because big data analytics helps organize to leverage vast amount of data for deeper understanding or insight.
Yes, sure.
Then what is time series analysis we have discussed, because means analyzing the sequential data points collected over time to time, right? What are the various concepts like trends, then your seasonality, forecasting. What are the various applications we are using in time series analysis, like your stock price, cryptocurrency, demand forecasting, sales analysis, like this, right?
Rain
Yes, sir.
forecasting.
Rain forecast, anything, weather forecasting, something like that. Yes. Can
Yes,
you
sir.
please tell me, anyone, what is prescriptive analytics? Prescriptive. Hmm. Quick. What is prescriptive analytics?
Sir,
It is basically giving prescriptions, saying what action to take.
What action to take? Okay. So then today we'll discuss some text analysis and natural language processing tools, like your things like what is text analytics and NLP, means extracting the meaningful insights from textual data. The various techniques like text processing, sentiment analysis, topic modeling, something like that. Text processing, what are the various steps involved in that process? The techniques like tokenization, stemming, stop word removal, all those things. Okay, then your lemmatization, all those things comes in text processing. Sentiment analysis means determine the sentiment, that is positive, negative, neutral. Your second project is what? What is your second project? Can you tell me?
Fraud detections.
Fraud detection, sir.
Fraud detection. Okay. Then okay, we'll discuss it later. Then topic modeling, text analysis and natural language processing. One thing is topic modeling, means identifying the themes using algorithms like latent discrete digital analysis. Okay, LDA. You're not aware of LDA? Okay, I'll
No,
explain it.
sir.
Okay. Uh, we'll discuss. Have you ever, everyone, I'm asking, you are aware of machine learning, deep learning,
Yes,
or
sir.
not?
So,
Yes, sir.
yes.
Okay. So then it's only to discuss it further. So why text analysis and NLP is important for this thing, timing? Because it enables businesses to analyze customer feedback, review social media content efficiency, like that. Business intelligence tools you're using for Tableau, Power BI, then means for creating the interactive dashboards. Something. What are the key activities of business intelligence tools? Like measuring the metrics like sales growth and customer retention, then performance analysis, identifying the operational inefficiencies or what you need to change actually. Then why it is important, business analytics? Because it ensures that the organization leverages analytics to drive performance and growth. Yes. Then your data ethical should be taken into consideration, like data ethics and privacy. Means ensuring the responsibility and ethical use of data. Means your data anonymization should be taken into consideration. Means protecting individual identities. Then compliance means following that GDPR, HIPAA, and similar regulations you should maintain. Then fairness in the dataset, that avoiding the biases in algorithm and analysis. Why it's important? Because it builds trust with stakeholders and prevents legal and reputation issues. Then tools and technologies for data analytics like Python, SQL, visualization tools like Power BI, Tableau, Google Data Studio. For data storage, we are using PostgreSQL, MySQL, MongoDB, Snowflake, something like that. Then for big data frameworks like Hadoop, Spark, AWS, and Azure. Then why these are important? Because these tools empower analysis to process, analyze, and prevent data efficiently. Yeah. Then what are the various applications? Also I've discussed like healthcare, finance, retail, manufacturing, sports, something like that. Yes. Now, what you think is important for data analytics? Tell me. Am I audible? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir. Basically, data analytics is important because it helps businesses make informed decisions, like to gain a competitive edge, sir.
Mhm.
Also, everywhere we cannot go on the basis of our intuitions because it may be wrong. But when we analyze the data, then we found the true result.
Yeah, mainly in decision making, customer experience,
Mhm.
like
Yeah,
cost.
wherever.
Okay. Anything else?
सर गेस नहीं कर सकते कुछ भी अगर डेटा एनालिसिस करते हैं तो हम गेस नहीं करते कि ऐसा हो सकता है तो वी आर कॉन्फिडेंट इनफ दैट दैट्स हैपनिंग समथिंग इज हैपनिंग मतलब अभी स्पोर्ट्स में ले लो तो इफ रोहित शर्मा इज एनालाइजिंग हाउ टू लाइक face someone on the bowler, he'll not guess. He'll be confident that he'll ball here only. I'll hit this ball like this.
Sir, your question is what is important for data analytics or what is why it is important data analytics? I guess what
No.
is important for
What?
data
No,
analytics?
no. What is important?
What are them? Okay, okay.
Anything else? Now we'll discuss one of the important thing in data analysis, that is your DAX. DAX stands for data analysis expressions. And you know, this is a powerful formula, a language that is used in Microsoft tools such as Power BI, Excel, Power Pivot, and SQL Server Analysis Services, that is SSAS. Okay. And it is designed to perform data modeling, calculations, create custom and aggregation within the data models. You know DAX? His DAX, have you ever used?
Yes,
So, what are the key features of DAX? DAX?
sir, functions, and also we can context awareness like row context, filter, and
Hmm.
calculated columns, measures, and all those.
Relational data modeling is possible, time intelligence, dynamic aggregation, then columnar computations like this. Means relational data modeling means it leverages, DAX leverages relationship between tables for complex calculations. Then time intelligence, it simplifies data-based calculations like year to date, month over month, etc. Then dynamic aggregations means create custom measures and calculation based on filters. Then some columnar computations like DAX works with columns and tables rather than individual cells. Yes. What are the various components in DAX? The predefined formulas, like what are the predefined functions in predefined means the in
Like
functions? What are the,
sum
yes,
function, average
Average.
function, count
sum,
function,
average, calculate, all these things.
maximum, minimum.
Maximum, minimum, all. Then
Yeah.
operators like what are the various operators in
Plus
DAX?
minus.
So plus,
Greater than,
minus,
equal to,
greater than, equal to
Yeah,
each.
yeah. What are the
and
constants?
Some
What is
sorry, sir.
constants? The fixed values in calculations. Then what is context? Two types of context is there. One is raw context and one is filter context.
Filter context.
Yeah. And it will determine how DAX calculations are applied on it. And
Mm.
what are the important categories of DAX functions? What is the aggregation function? Tell me, what is the aggregation function? What is the logical function? Filter function? Then
Aggregation functions means basically which aggregates the data like group by. In
mm,
SQL, we can say group by,
Sir, it
and
mm,
performs calculations and results only single value.
okay. It perform calculations or column or table. Calculation on columns or tables. Like your sum is aggregation function. Common functions like sum, average, mean or max.
mm,
Then count or count rows. Like this means when you are using mean value is equal to mean sales upon sales amount. You are giving that. Understanding the commands as well. Yes.
yes,
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Then after your aggregation function, what is logical functions?
logical functions like and, or, and if conditional.
If, and, or, switch. These are the conditional statements, right?
Yes,
That if returns value based on a condition, and or combine multiple conditions, and switch evaluates the multiple condition. Then what is filter function? It creates dynamic filter on the data DAX, and the common functions on DAX is yes, filter functions are calculate, filter, all, values. Values means return a distinct list of values in a column. All means ignores the filters, it will ignore the filter, and filter means it returns a table matching with that particular condition that you have given for the filtration. Then calculate means it modifies the filter context. Then what is time intelligence functions? What are the means when you were performing with calculations based on days, date and times, it comes to time intelligent functions. What are the things, common functions?
Sir, YTD, MTD.
Yeah,
total YTD.
date, total
Yes, sir.
YTD, then same period last year,
Yeah,
then date at, all these things are there.
Yes, sir. Supporting days.
Yeah. Then what is text functions? What are the text function in DAX? DAX,
sir, for substrings left, right,
Yes,
and
sir.
also
left,
concatenation.
right,
Concat.
Yes, sir. To manipulate
sort,
strings. Yes, sir.
concatenation. Then what are mathematical and statistical functions in DAX? When we perform complex mathematical calculations, we are using those things
Mean.
like
Yes, sir.
divide, mean, ABS,
Yeah,
round, all the
yeah,
things.
Yes, sir.
ABS, it returns the absolute value.
absolutely.
Divide handles the division and avoid errors. Round means it is round a number to the specific number of digits. Okay. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Then your table manipulation function. Table manipulation function. When it comes to in DAX, what are the various common functions in table manipulation function? Summarize, add columns, cross join, these things, right?
Yes, sir.
Means table manipulation functions are used to create or modify the tables. Summarize means summarize is a function that groups the data and performs aggregations. Add columns that adds calculated columns to a table. Then cross join it creates all combinations of rows from two tables. Yes,
Yes, sir.
means what is row
Yes, sir.
context and what is filter context that we have discussed. Row context operates on a single row, often used in calculated columns. Then filter context means it applies when slicers, filters,
Sensor
or
rows or columns.
calculate is used. So why DAX is important? You can tell me why DAX is important.
Sir, a single function can make a lot of calculations easier. Like if
Let's
you
say
want
another
to
base.
calculate average at every month, you just use MTD. So it
Mm,
calculates the sum at every month and it gives you the result.
okay.
For fast
It
computations.
it also allows user to create calculated column measures and custom aggregation
Okay.
that go
So
beyond the
DAX,
simple data transfer.
DAX enables creation of dynamic and reusable calculations. It simplifies complex business logic and analysis, and it enhances interactivity and usability of Power BI and Excel reports. And if you are good at DAX, it is very important to be good at that, and it's essential for building sophisticated data models and deliver useful insights at the same time. Yes.
Yeah, it's built-in intelligent intelligence functions that simplifies the complex uh, time-related calculations like YTD, MTD.
Hmm. Cool. Then just a second. Just 1 minute, guys. Okay. Hmm. So I told you to discuss some Python things related to data analytics as well, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Documents. Hmm, context. It's not that one. Okay. I think these all are available with me in Google Colab. Let me open one. Okay. You see now. Uh, so dictionaries. What is the method clear? Copy I have explained over here. Then various arguments. Okay. When you're working on this type of projects, there's nothing. Okay. Let me open in that. I will be file. Just a second. Please hold up. Okay. Here you can see how analysis has been done. Okay. Like how to read a file using this is for this one. Okay, it's a turn of the students. I see that. Just a second. These are the machine learning algorithms. Okay, I'll search over there. Let's see where are they actually. Okay, in the time being, we'll discuss this and we'll directly get to the project. Okay, how to use Python? What are the Python libraries I told you, but I didn't find those files. Okay, I'm not sure. I'll find it and I'll let you know. Okay. So roles in statistical data analysis, roles of data analytics, that it provides the foundation for analysis and interpretation of data. I discussed previously machine learning and data analysis. What are the various machine learning stops we are using in data analytics? I discussed with you machine learning in the last class.
Yes,
Please,
sir.
yes, we have discussed. Then your big data and data analysis, big data and data mining also have explained.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Your these are the case studies. Retail analytics, case study of Netflix means how Netflix uses data analytics to recommend shows and movies to the users. Okay. Then ethical considerations in data analytics, like ethical considerations involve ensuring data is used responsibly and transparently, and organization must prioritize user consent and data protection to their analytics practices. And the next thing is the applications. What are the various applications of data analytics, like widely used in healthcare, business, all these things I have discussed. Just to overview. Real world applications like data analytics and visualization are used in healthcare to improve the patient's outcome. Financial institutions leverage analytics to detect fraud and access the risk. Then governments use data to enhance public services and inform policy decisions. What are the various challenges? The data privacy and governance should be taken into consideration. Then your future trends in data analytics, that the rise of AI and machine learning is transforming data analytics, and real time analytics is becoming increasingly important for timely decision making, and data democratization is a trend where more employees gain access to analytical tools. Then building career in data analytics, like your data analyst, you may go for in the data uh, visualization field. You can go on Power BI engineer, anything you can go. These are trends. Career opportunities, building career opportunity that I told you, data engineer, statistician, anything. So in the conclusion, we can conclude with that data analytics and visualization critical components in today's data-driven world, and analytics is a powerful tool for transferring raw data into actionable insights. Mastering these skills can lead to significant career opportunity. And so this is all, and then now we'll discuss. Let me share this. I cannot use this writing. Just hold it. I'm sharing. Yes, please hold on. After 10 more minutes, we'll discuss about the project. But in that timing, I want to show you something in Google Colab. Can you see my screen, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Mm. So for analysis purposes, this is one project named customer segmentation. Here I have used K-means clustering, one machine learning algorithm. We have discussed what is K-means clustering.
Yes, sir.
In the last class, I think we have discussed.
Yes,
So
sir. We
this
have
is
seen
how
it in
to,
the unsupervised category.
yeah. So first we have imported the libraries, how to work on that, then the data set, then yes, here you can see to see the shape of the data set, to get the customer information data set there. Yeah, these are the things to check the missing values. Is there any missing values or not? It's null function, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then next thing, like your to description about the project, we have used describe, then duplicated to check is there any duplication in the data set or not, right? Yes or
Yes, sir.
no? Yeah.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Then you duplicated, then fill now function. Fill now function to fill the null values that we have found. Yeah, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then again to choose temporary is not to check after filling the null values, it's clear or not. Okay. Then it's coming, yes, now WCSS. One thing in K-means clustering. I told you to discuss K-means clustering. Ever told you or not?
Sir, we had discussed in previous
Yes,
meeting.
in detail. Yes, in detail we have just discussed for the definition and all. Have I told you to
Yes, only,
discuss?
sir.
So we have discussed partially.
Oh, means if you need then. Uh-huh.
We have partially discussed.
Partially discussed. Okay. You want me to discuss K-means clustering? Actually, it's machine learning things. No need to discuss all of those things. Now, when we will discuss, I'll let you know. Okay. So I want to show you how you'll visualize things. Then this elbow point, after elbow point, you find the value. Then here you can
Yes,
make some of the clustering.
effective key.
Yeah. So now I'll show you another one. Hmm. There is a duplicate value. So yes, yeah, data visualization things that yeah, just yeah, yeah. By count plot, you're visualizing its gender. It's a bar plot, right? Then we are counting the overall gender-wise discussion. In this way, when you're working on the project, in this way you have to visualize. Okay, more to this, not only like this. Then you have some box
Yes,
plot.
sir.
That's then next your correlation. You no need to plot this type of graphs. Okay, box plot. These are not important. Then I think scatter plot is important in your case. Then elbow graph, it's not important as well. Yes, elbow graph is working on to find the value of k. Bar plot, then line plot may be important for all of you. Then bar plot and pie chart. What are the various plots you'll do in your project? I told you all those things, right? Yes or no? Let me show you some other thing as well. Just a second. Plots would be like mm, documents. One simple. Just this one. E-commerce sales dashboard, if you say. One sample I'm saying. Take some time. Then let's wait for the time. It'll take some time to open Power BI. Okay. Okay. Forget about that. Fine. It's opening. Okay, let me show you something. I will work on the. I will work on the dashboard. Where is that? Okay, in the time it's opening, let me tell you. Your project is IPL data analysis. How will do that? Please, all of you, please listen to me carefully. Hello, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
I'll do that. I'll do the project. I'll do the project by using Python or only Power BI or Tableau.
Of course, there will be use of Python for data cleaning and all those stuff.
Python and Power. Yes, yes.
Python and
And
Yes, sir.
Power.
Python and
some of
Power
the
BI.
visualizations should be done in Python as well. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Some first import that. It's easy. What the things you'll do, let me tell you. Import some of the Python libraries like Math, NumPy, Pandas, Seaborn, Matplotlib, then
Yes,
Matplotlib
sir.
inline should be declared. Then IPL dataset from 2008 to
Yes, sir.
2024.
4. Yes, sir.
The data should be maintained and you should collect the dataset. Then just import the dataset. That pd.read underscore csv. I will import that, then
Yes, sir.
read the
Yes, sir.
files. In the files, all the columns like match id, match number, season, start date, venue, innings, the batting team, bowling team, striker, non-striker,
Strike
run
rate.
of bat,
Yes, sir.
extras, strike rate, wides, ball, bias, leg bias, all things should be there. Run, over, wicket type, yes,
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
these all things should be there. And then check the IPL data set attributes. What are the various attributes are there? Then by how will check the attributes? Various attributes. What is the command? df.info. Then check is there any null values present or not, or it's if it's all non-null, then go with the IPL data analysis and visualization using Python. Means the least of season you need to visualize. Okay.
Yes.
List of season, then past ball of the IPL history. Okay. Then the season-wise IPL what matches means IPL matches means the match are more and less in what you need to visualize it
Particular
in
season, yes,
a
sir.
matplotlib by using matplotlib library. Okay, by using the bar plot only. Okay,
Okay, sir.
okay. Then most IPL matches played in a place stadium. You need to visualize it. Then each team match played by each team. You need to visualize it in a bar plot as well. Like Mumbai Indians, the Bangalore, all those things should be declared. Then batting analysis, most runs scored by IPL team, it should be declared. Then most IPL run by batsman, it should be there. Then average run by teams in power play, it should be there.
Yes, sir.
Most IPL century by a player,
Team with
and
zero
the IPL
trophies.
century by players. Listen, in the team with what team with zero trophies? Don't make it personal, boy. Okay, you are RCB?
Sorry, sir. It
Huh?
was. Uh, Sorry, sir. Can you repeat again?
No, sorry भाई. मतलब ऐसे बोल रहे हो कि टीम में जीरो ट्रॉफीज मतलब ये सब ना जो बैंगलोर को लॉक करता होगा
Making it
उसको ही मतलब चुभेगा.
yes, sir.
And don't be personal, okay?
Yes, sir. It was coming in my mind. That's why I suggested. There
Okay.
is no personal attack to anyone.
Okay, just kidding. अरे अरे personal attack to not anyone, to me. Let it be. Fine.
Sorry, sir.
So most IPL century by each player, do it in a tabular format and do it in bar plot as well. Not bar plot, you can do it in scatter plot. Uh, Scatter plot or yes, scatter plot. No, not scatter plot. It's not. Hello, hello,
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Yes, sir.
hello.
Yes, sir. You are audible.
Yes, sir. You are audible.
Hello.
You are audible.
Sir,
Sir is not in meeting, I guess.
Yeah.
Yes. Am I audible now? Am I audible now?
Yes, sir. You are audible.
So
yes,
due to
sir.
the network connection, as my system was lagging and I cannot hear you properly. And then, how I'll visualize the most run by a player in IPL and most 100, most 50s by player in IPL. No, not 50s, most 100. You need to visualize it. And most play.
What about the
Hello.
orange cap? Yes, yeah.
Just hold on. Yes, orange cap also. And how to visualize it in tabular format and in other plots. Like which plot should be better for better representation? You can tell me as well. Mm, what things in my
For
mind is
comparison, I guess bar
Bar, yes, sir.
bar
Bar
plot.
plot can.
Okay,
it would
bar
be
plot
better
we
for
can use.
comparison.
Uh-huh.
It would be better for comparison.
Yes,
Yes,
sir. It will
bar
be
plot
for
for better
comparison.
for comparison. Okay, and one by one means you can divide it and give the in y-axis one, two, three, four. Yes, you can do it in backplot as well. Yes, then no, not most 50 also you can add most 50s by player. Then orange cap holder. Then what? Most boundary, most success force. Then most run in IPL season. Then number of success in the IPL season, various IPL seasons. Then highest total play by an IPL team also. Then most IPL success hits by a batsman. Most economically bowler. You can do it.
Yes, yes.
Then highest individual IPL score and IPL teams with their trophies and don't mention their zero trophies. Okay, no need to mention that.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, okay, you can mention that. Okay, just kidding. Then most wickets by IPL bowler.
Player with 100 runs in minimum ball. We can also.
Yes, no, just don't do that. Just a bowler with most number of wickets.
Okay.
Then most dot ball. Then no ball history, run given, everything should be mentioned. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Score by venue, sir.
Score by venue also. I'll collect the dataset. Is there any dataset available? Just let me see. Else you can update it after downloading. Dataset.
तो कैगल पे है,
Uh-huh.
तो कैगल में है,
Available in Kaggle?
8 से 24 तक है.
Is it available in Kaggle? The latest dataset?
Yes, sir. From 2008 to 2024.
It's available. Everything is there.
Yes, sir. It's
दो
available.
दो डेटा सेट्स.
Yeah. So everything is there. Whatever I mentioned, everything is there.
तो फिर अभी देखा नहीं,
No.
मतलब जिस यूएसबी फाइल डाउनलोड
You
करके
have
रखा था.
no. What are the things I told you? Everything shouldn't be there. Everything is not there in the dataset. I think. Okay. So you have to think how you'll work on those things. Means the IPL player, most runs, wickets, 50s, most number of dots, runs, no ball, buys, leg buys, hundreds, player of the match, man of the player of the series, most 100, most IPL own trophies, means all things. You means most number of venues that we play the match, IPL has been played. All those things is not there in the data set. I hope. No, right?
No, sir.
So you have to think and how I'll collect that, I'll do that. It's your duty to do. Okay? Yes. In from the next class onwards, I want to see
So,
the progress.
Okay, sure.
Okay. Now having said that, uh just hold on a second. Let me show you
so when
something.
will be the next
And
class?
next class will be on just today, not today. Today is Monday. Data science machine learning. Maybe Wednesday or Thursday. Wednesday or Thursday. You have 2 more days.
Okay.
Today, tomorrow, and the day after tomorrow. Maybe we'll let you know Wednesday or Thursday. Okay? Yes or no?
Yes.
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 And one more thing.
Okay,
You
sir.
have to, when you are presenting, you have you have to make a report. Okay, so you know how to split the project among yourselves, you all know, right?
Yes, sir.
So one member should be go for report making or report making or PPT making. And report making is good because PPT is old school nowadays. So report, in that report, every a number of every plot should be there. The plots like your means not number of plots, the variety of plots should be there. Not only you are using pie chart or bar plot everywhere. Scatter plot, histogram plot, sorry, line plot, highlight plot, tree maps, box plots, bullet chart, then line chart, histogram plot, no, not bubble chart, scatter plot, everything should be there. Variety of plots should be there, and number of and the project should be defined in Python and with interactive dashboards in uh, what your Power BI Tableau. I told you before. Yes, I'm audible.
Yes, sir.
This should be done, and I'll see the progress in the next class. Okay, come with the progress, not be innovative, not copy from anywhere else. If you have suppose you'll complete the project in the next class and you come to me, it's impressive, but I'll ask you everything about that, how you did that, how means everything. Even I can ask you to write the code in front of me. Okay,
Okay,
so
sir.
try to be honest, try to be honest, try to do by your own.
Sure.
See, try to see the things available in internet, but when you are coming to do it, please do it by your own, your own way. Okay, got it?
Okay, sir. Sir,
Yeah.
can you share any document that should contain what are the various analysis should we have to
It,
perform?
I have whatever the things I told you, those are the things you need to mention. Everything.
Okay, sir.
So one report should be there. Report I'll see you. I'll see. Then the presentation I'll take. Everyone should contribute. And your group has been created, and your group lead also has been decided by all of you, right? All group.
Sir, the report we are creating, it is just for the last day of our project or throughout the project when
Throughout
the
the project, you need to make a report. Throughout the
okay,
project, time to time,
okay,
you have
sir.
to update it. Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Those are the group lead. Please raise your hand. Every group lead should raise their hand. Uh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 9, 10, 11. Means 11 groups are there. Swaroop, who is the lead from group number 1?
Sir, I don't know, sir. I'm group 9.
Group number 1, 2,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Me for the group number 2.
group number 1,
Sir, the Manoj Sriram was the
okay.
group
Ria, are
leader.
you there? Ria,
Yes, sir.
your group number?
15.
Maunika, are you there? Maunika, are you there?
Yes, sir, I'm there.
Group number?
6, sir.
You heard what I told you, what I told to do
Yes,
in the
sir.
project? Yes. Rishabh, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Pratik,
Sir, I
Ayush,
have a doubt. Sir, the
tell me,
members who are
Rishabh.
not replying.
Those who are not replying, please leave them. Means no need to contact them.
Okay.
Progress with that, and in the middle or end of the project, if they are coming and tell you to be in your project, just inform me. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Thank you all, Sanika, Ayush. You all group lead should listen to me carefully and explain the project to your group mates. And I hope those who are expert in those means those areas, they are leading the teams. Okay,
Sure, sir.
you
Yes, sir.
all understood what I told you to do
Yes,
and
sir.
prove
Yes,
by
sir.
this way.